We will guide you through how to make halftone transition in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for CapCut in the Windows search field. Launch the CapCut desktop editor from the search results and wait for the project workspace to load completely before continuing. Open an existing project or start a new one if you are creating a video from scratch. Import the clips you want to transition between if they are not already included in your project. Place the clips one after another on the timeline so they are arranged in the correct playback order. Highlight the first video clip by clicking it once to display its editing options. Go to the animation section in the editing panel to access the available animation presets. Switch to the Out Animation tab to view the exit animations for the selected clip. Enter halftone into the animation search box to quickly locate the effect. Select the halftone animation from the search results to apply it to the end of the first clip. Set the animation duration to your preferred timing, making it shorter for a faster transition or longer for a smoother effect. Next, select the second clip on the timeline by clicking it once. Open the animation section again to access its animation settings. Choose the In Animation tab to display the available entrance animations. Search for the halftone animation once more using the search field. Apply the halftone animation to the beginning of the second clip so it complements the exit animation from the previous clip. Adjust the timing so both animations blend together naturally without leaving gaps or creating an abrupt transition. Preview the edited section in the playback window to check how the halftone transition looks between the two clips. Fine-tune the animation speed until the transition appears smooth and matches the pace of your project.